Good evening from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom, and I'm out here in Phoenix, Arizona, and these are the nightly DoorDash numbers from the desert. Today being Tuesday, we finished with 361.49. Just kind of moseyed along today. No get up and go. More than likely, I've got some late stuff that we're going to have to clean up inside of the on-time rating. But just had some really crazy offers today. They were sending me all the way into downtown Phoenix, doing some charity work today, and just really wasn't feeling it. Did really well yesterday, and today, of course, brings our average to about $400 per day. You can see the total is $1,199.85, but you take away $395 from that, and we're left with a little over $800. So, unfortunately, that rolled over from last week, and I said that I was going to be mentioning this every day throughout this week, just so that it's fresh inside of your mind, and you're like, whoa, those are some crazy numbers for 2 days. That's because it's not 2 days, it's 3 days. So let's go take a look at the rest of the information here. Go ahead and go take a look at our ratings real quick. And, well, only one on time late. So we've got 86 acceptance rate, 100% completion. On time is 99. We're going to go ahead and clean that up really quick. See if which one it is. Marigold Madison. What was wrong with that one? Late pickup and late drop off. And we're just going to say that was unexpected traffic. Bada boom, bada bing. Go back into our ratings. Currently 5.0 customer rating. 1,112 deliveries over the last 30 days. And 48,294 excuse me, for lifetime deliveries. And we're still not a pro shopper because we haven't done any shopping. But just if you want to look at those total lifetime shopping orders, 7,525. And going into the earnings, let's see if they've fixed that real quick. No, they have not. And so looking at our weekly, you can see Monday, February 16th was actually a Sunday shift, and that's what I was talking about as far as carryover. As a result, our active time is off, our dash time is off, our completed deliveries are off, and it really screws up everything, and I really wish that DoorDash would take a look at that and fix it. I've tried bringing it to their attention, but to no avail, because the only contact that I have is actually somebody in the grocery department, and they wouldn't even know who to get this over to. So that's where we're at with this. We'll hopefully try to be out bright and early in the morning. I've got some numbers to enter in on the computer tonight, and so we're going to be sitting down with some computer time. Hopefully get 3 hours of sleep tonight. We shall see, and be out fresh start in the morning. So hopefully you had a good day today. I know I've been listening to other people on lives, and they said it was slow. I think it was slow. Personally, I think DoorDash did some corrective things. You may have noticed some changes in the verify the order process. It looks like they're having us verify the order, and it looks a little bit different as far as the layout. And even if you say that it's items are bagged, it still has you take a picture of the receipt, whereas before it used to just allow you to bypass that and say that you had the order. So things are changing. I'm guessing that they're trying to really cut their costs. I noticed that their stock is down all the way down to like $162 from up well over $200 and some odd dollars. So more than likely, in order to meet their numbers, they're really trying to reduce any credit that they're giving out, and therefore they're putting an emphasis on the verify order process. That's just my guess. So, again, hopefully you've made some good money today. Hopefully you're applying it in the right areas of your life. Hopefully you're making some advancement on your goals and your dreams, and everything is starting to look rosy. only you can determine that. I can't determine that because everybody's situation is different. If you ever want to run something by me and get my opinion on it, I'm always happy to share my opinion. Not everybody's going to be willing to do that, and I totally get it. So if you like this type of content and you want to see more numbers, please like, comment, and subscribe on the videos. Share it with others, and let's try and build this community. With that, I'm going to let you go, and we shall see you in the morning.